Hey everyone, this is Tuhin and welcome back to my channel, TuhinInAIML. So this is my recent project on Deep Research Assistant and I'll tell you more about it. So let's get started. If you spend hours digging through PDFs, blogs and paper trails only to lose the thread, this video is for you. I built Deep Research Assistant, an end-to-end research toolkit that finds, ingests, vectorizes, and explains content from web pages, news, and PDFs. Then answers your questions with semantic search and a powerful LLM. Today, I will show you how it works, why it matters, and how it to run it locally in minutes. So research isn't about finding words, it's about finding meaning. Humans are great at judgment, but slow at scanning thousands of documents. Deep Research Assistance flips that. It finds the relevant passages, surfaces, ranked evidence, and generates concise and context-aware summarizes so you spend minutes, not hours, getting an actionable answer. Who benefits the most? Meaning, who is benefited the most, who each project is for. The researchers and the grad student who need first literature reviews, market and intelligent analyst who synthesizes news and signal across sources. Legal and compliance team who must extract clauses or precedent from many documents. Product managers who want a quick briefing before a stakeholder meeting. So this was all about the theory stuff and well, let's see what the project is about. Okay, before I do that, there is four things you need to know about. First is crawl or ingest content, parse and clean, embed into vector store, then retrieve plus explain with an LLM. What this means. So first, I will show you what it means. So let me show you crawl or ingest. So once you give the Gemini API key over there, you will come to this page, and this page is the main app. Okay, so let's see. Um, let's search something like lead generation for real estate in UAE. Okay, so this is the process where we are crawling and also ingesting the crawlers and the documents that we crawl. Okay, the web browsers, the news, everything that we crawl, we uh, also ingest that content. So it's extracting, you can see. Once it gets to 15, now these errors are basically the pages that we have searched, but they don't usually allow crawling to their web page. So this is why some errors are showing, nothing much important. Okay, so done. We can see successfully extracted content from 14 URLs. Okay, vector store with 70 documents and 70 documents chunked to a vector store. Now do it, we have parsed and cleaned also. This whole process is crawl, ingest content plus this last two step. This is parse and clean. We're parsing and cleaning and then embedding into vector store. You will see over here a number will show. Uh, Now let's come to retrieve plus explain with LLM. So this is semantic search. This is basically where the whatever you have crawled and whatever is stored in the vector store, you can just search from it, like lead conversion strategies in UAE and number of searches. Let's keep it to. Here you can see the documents and the embedding dimension all are given here. So once you did that, whatever is stored in that vector store related to that, the answers will show. So basically here you will find uh, whatever is stored in the vector store plus the source URL. So you can see everything is given over here. Now if you go here, this is ask question. You can ask anything, like if you ask the same question, this is something that is working with LLM. all the things that are stored in the vector is passed to LLM, plus LLM will flush a prompt. LLM will work on that and give an output. This is the output. Okay, here are some missing information and also the sources used. So this is basically ready-made answer, and this is the answer we get from the searches, the crawls, and ask question is ready-made answer. So now we are summarizing the research we have done. So it is also based on LLM. It's basically taking all the things, and a prompt is passed, and Gemini will process all the thing and then return us a summary, research summary. So it's almost done. Suggested follow-up question will show over here. So here this the follow-up question that you can ask after reading. If you have any questions, you can just copy this thing and go over to ask questions and paste it and click on get answer. You will get answer related to that. Okay, now also one of the most important thing, that is scriptures and old books. Some topics needs to be found out or needs to be well researched. Let's say if I search AI over here and fetch it. So what is Project Gutenberg? It is basically online library where all the documents, all the books, old books are available here that are all discontinued is available here. So you can see fetch 2 books from Project Gutenberg. Here are all the things, all the books are written, all the books in text txt format is given, not the total thing. Basically how it's working is once you search, it will convert into txt file, call the vector spaces, and then again store to vector store status, and then you can search again. See, documents 201 from 70 to 201. So you can again generate your research summary. So some research do need old books and scriptures, and some doesn't. So whatever is your need, you can use. It's quite a best research assistant, I would say, and that is all. Also you can clear your vector storage easily from here. So you can find the code over in this GitHub. Just go to GitHub Tuhin 108/deep research assistant, and you can find the whole code. Just click on the code and download a zip. Keep in mind to create a virtual environment and install everything that is given in text requirement.txt in the virtual environment, and then run the project. Otherwise there are many problems you will face. I have faced the problem. So that's it for today. See you in the next video with a new project. Thank you.
मैं असली हूँ नो कैप, बीटों पे जंगली हूँ नो कैप, D2 में सन की हूँ नो कैप, करता मैं मन की हूँ नो कैप, असली हूँ नो कैप।